Today, there's a special message for you. Listen closely because something important is being shared. There's someone you're close to who might be causing you to wonder about their actions. This person is scared of losing you and tries really hard to keep you around. But they've made some mistakes that have pulled you two apart. Things between you have gotten a bit unclear. Despite the strong connection you have, their fear of being without you has led them to go to great lengths to make sure you stay in their life. They show a mix of reasons for their actions, some of which don't match what they say they want. They haven't been open with you, and that's created more distance and even some hard feelings. Secrets have damaged the trust that was once there, and their attempts to hold on to you haven't worked out well. It's clear now that you're not the only one they care about, and they aren't as concerned about your feelings as they should be. This situation has caused them to distance themselves emotionally, making you feel as if you're merely a backdrop to their inner thoughts. God highlights that this often occurs when a person starts to recognize their own mistakes and sees the impact these have had on the relationship. It's akin to the clearing of fog, revealing the growing space between you two. Gradually, like the sun emerging after a storm, they begin to understand the consequences of their actions. Realizing the risk of losing you has spurred them into action. They're trying to mend the bond and make amends. The awareness that their actions have hurt you motivates them to cherish what you share more deeply and to strive to maintain it. Love, as they're starting to see, is not a fleeting emotion, but a long journey that requires nurturing over time. It's built on a foundation of mutual care, deep understanding, and shared life experiences far beyond grand gestures or quick solutions. As they make efforts to reconnect, remember that love is resilient, growing stronger with each challenge faced together. However, it also demands continuous nurturing. This means not only enjoying the good times together, but also working through disagreements and supporting each other during tough times. Love is a dynamic journey where each phase, whether filled with joy or hardship, contributes to the strength of the bond. Consider this as an opportunity to deepen your understanding of each other. Open conversations about feelings and fears can reinforce your connection, making it more robust against future strains. As you both invest in this relationship, you'll find that love is not just about staying together, but growing together. It involves learning from each other, adapting to each other's needs, and building a future that respects both individuals' dreams and aspirations. Through this process, love becomes more than just a shared history. It becomes a shared growth trajectory, rich with mutual respect and affection. By embracing the lessons this situation has taught you both, you can forge a bond that is not only enduring, but also flourishing, a testament to both your commitment and your love. Remember, every effort you make strengthens the fabric of your relationship, turning it into a beautiful tapestry of shared experiences and mutual respect. Trust in this process and in each other, and let your journey together continue to unfold with each new day, enriched by every lesson and every smile shared along the way. You've always been there for each other, no matter what tough times have come your way. Through patience, mutual understanding, and all the moments you've shared, you've built a strong bond that holds you together. Trust acts like a bridge between your hearts, keeping your relationship solid even when challenges arise. God encourages you to maintain this trust, as your connection has only deepened over time. The future promises happiness and love, though there might be bumps and obstacles along the way. But the love you share and the joy you build together will make every effort worthwhile. Your friendship and partnership provide strength and support as you navigate life's challenges. Think of your relationship as supported by 4 strong pillars: love, joy, happiness, and trust. Each one is crucial, and as you invest more into your relationship, each pillar becomes stronger, supporting a richer, fuller life together. Imagine your journey as a beautiful tapestry woven from these vibrant threads. Each thread represents an important element of your bond, intertwined to create a stunning and cohesive picture. God's message emphasizes that your love is like a flower in bloom, constantly growing, unfolding new layers, and showing its beautiful colors more each day. As you face the future together, remember that each challenge is an opportunity to strengthen your bond. The moments you share both good and bad add depth and texture to your relationship tapestry. Celebrate the victories, learn from the setbacks, and always keep moving forward together. Your commitment to each other and the love you cultivate will carry you through anything that comes your way. This journey of love is not always easy, but it is incredibly rewarding. Like gardeners tending to their most prized plant, you must nurture your relationship with care, dedication, and a lot of love. Water it with kindness, feed it with understanding, and give it the sunlight of your attention and affection. Over time, you will see it grow taller and stronger, resilient against the storms and beautiful in the sunshine. God's message to you is to cherish this growth, to relish the blooming of your love, and to recognize that every day you spend together is a gift. As you continue to build on the strong foundation you have set, your love will not only survive but thrive, becoming a testament to the power of faith, hope, and perseverance. This blooming love is not just a part of your life's journey, but the very essence of it, enriching every experience and teaching you the true meaning of unity. Trust in each other and in God's plan, knowing that your love story is a sacred narrative being beautifully written with every passing day. Your love has the potential to flourish beautifully if you nurture it carefully and give it the attention it deserves. Consider the power of forgiveness. It can act as a bridge over the gaps created by mistakes. By forgiving each other, you both can move forward and heal, making your bond even stronger. God's message reminds us that love is a formidable force. It has the power to mend wounds and reunite hearts, no matter how difficult the circumstances may seem. Your relationship is built upon a robust foundation that won't waver, regardless of the challenges you face. Even when life presents its toughest trials, the solid base you've established together will ensure you remain united. Your love, joy, success, and trust in each other will endure through the hardest times. Think of your life together as a symphony, where every moment, be it a challenge or a triumph, contributes a unique note to the overall melody. Your relationship is built upon a robust foundation that won't waver, regardless of the challenges you face. Even when life presents its toughest trials, the solid base you've established together will ensure you remain united. Your love, joy, success, and trust in each other will endure through the hardest times. Think of your life together as a symphony, where every moment, be it a challenge or a triumph, contributes a unique note to the overall melody. God encourages you to keep playing this symphony, to cherish each note, and to enjoy the music of your life together. Your love story, with all its highs and lows, is destined to be a deeply heartfelt and genuine masterpiece. Continue to trust in God and affirm your faith, and this vision will manifest into reality. As you move forward, remember that each experience, each disagreement, and each celebration is a part of the composition of your life. These elements come together to form a harmonious melody that celebrates the complexity and beauty of being in love. Every challenge you overcome together strengthens your relationship, and every success you celebrate deepens the joy you share. This symphony of life isn't just about enduring together, it's about thriving together, creating a tapestry of experiences that enriches your bond. The music of your relationship is filled with varied tunes. Some are slow and melodic, while others are quick and vibrant. Each type of music represents different aspects of your life together, from quiet moments of understanding to loud celebrations of joy. As you continue on this journey, keep in mind that love is like a delicate yet resilient plant. It needs the right environment to grow, a balance of light, water, and nourishment. Your attentiveness, your willingness to forgive, and your commitment to support each other are the nutrients that feed your love. With these, your relationship will not only survive, but will thrive, blooming into a beautiful, enduring flower. This ongoing symphony of love requires both conductors. Both of you to be attuned to each other's needs and rhythms. As you each take turns leading and supporting, your music becomes more synchronized and harmonious. This beautiful orchestration of give and take, of supporting and leading, creates a dynamic and resilient partnership. In conclusion, let your love story be a symphony of resilience, beauty, and harmony, guided by your faith and your commitment to each other. Trust in the power of your love and in God's guidance, and you will find that what you build together will stand the test of time, growing more beautiful with each passing day. Dear viewers, show your support by giving a super thanks up to $20.